What's good with the YouTube? It's your boy Damo back in the building. Now let me know if this sounds familiar. You drop a new video, you spend hours editing, you upload it all hype, and then crickets. Ain't nobody showing up. You pull out your phone, you looking like, bruh, is YouTube even pushing out my notifications? Well, today we about to dive right into that, and I'm about to let y'all know why YouTube not pushing out those notifications and what you can do to fix it. Because this YouTube notification system be playing all games. All right, check this. Most people don't even know how the notification system really work. When you hit that subscribe button, that's only step one. They then need to go in and hit that notification bell and select all. Not personalized, not some, but all. But then YouTube would be like, well, did the person even watch your last video? If that's not the case, YouTube may be like, is this person even active on your channel? And if that's not the case, YouTube might stop sending that person notifications. It's almost like YouTube be like, oh, so y'all ain't talking no more? I bet. Now, here's the crazy part. Most of your views ain't even coming from your notifications. No way. They coming from the algorithm. I'm talking about home feed, browser page, and those suggested videos. YouTube basically uses your click-through rate and your watch time like a lie detector test. If people click and stay, boom, they spread your video everywhere. If not, yeah, your video going into the algorithm jail with no bail straight up. YouTube basically uses your click-through rate and your watch time like a lie detector test. If people click and stay, boom, your video spreads everywhere. If not, yeah, your video ends up in algorithm jail with no bail, straight like that. So let me give y'all some reasons why your notifications might not be pushing. Viewers didn't select all notifications. You uploaded 4 videos in a day and YouTube only send notifications out for 3 max in 24 hours. So anything over that, they ain't trying to hear it at all. Number 3, people ain't been interacting. No comments, no likes equals no watch time, which equals no notifications. Number 4, you mixing live streams, shorts, and uploads. YouTube might push one, but not all of them. Number 5, or maybe your title and your thumbnail didn't catch on fast enough and YouTube saw that and was like, nah, not today. YouTube be acting like a toxic ex, only hitting you up when you popping again, I swear. All right, now let's talk solutions because we're not finna just sit up here and complain. Here's how you fight back. First, you can straight up tell your audience that click that bell and select all notifications. I think that's what I'm finna start doing. 2, stick to a consistent upload schedule so people know when to pull up. Because when people know when you're doing what you do, they normally show up for you. You feel me? Number 3, post reminders on your community tab, TikTok, IG, Facebook, Discord. Use all the platforms if you ask me. Number 4, push engagement. Tell people to like, comment, and stay to the end of the video. Sometimes you got to tell people what you want for them to actually do what you need them to do. So we going to push engagement from here on out on this channel. You feel me? And number 5, and probably the most important thing, if all else fails, make the content too good for them to ignore. Because if the watch time hidden and the titles are clean, YouTube and the algorithm gonna do the pushing for you. So we gonna practice quality over quantity over here. You hear me? So look, at the end of the day, it ain't personal. It's just a system. YouTube not shadow banning you. They just focused on data. So stop stressing over the notifications and focus on what you can control. Your creativity, your consistency, and your connection with your audience. And hey, if you don't get a notification for this video, then that's exactly what I'm talking about. So smash that like button, drop a comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and select all before YouTube forget about you again. It's your boy, Damo, signing off. Keep grinding, stay consistent, and always remember that YouTube's algorithm, it rewards effort and not excuses. I'll holler at y'all.